Yeah, good morning, Dick Rochfort. We're short of runway 22, Easton, Maryland. Some rain showers in the area. We're waiting release for an IFR flight. Bad news is lots of rain showers. We have the radar on. The good news is we'll be making a turn away from the majority of that. This will be a good opportunity to see how XRAD and radar are used together to improve safety, not to disprove safety. Yeah, good morning, Dick Rochfort. We're short of runway 22, Easton, Maryland. Some rain showers in the area. We're waiting release for an IFR flight. Bad news is lots of rain showers. We have the radar on. The good news is we'll be making a turn away from the majority of that. This will be a good opportunity to see how XRAD and radar are used together to improve safety, not to disprove safety. So now we're flying a heading, assigned heading of 350, and we're now progressing away from most of the clouds and rain. We still have some showers in front of us. We can evidence that with an XRAD here. So our line goes up through Meehan, Shiloh, Vinny, in front of this little group here. We may want to go behind it. Let's wait and see. So now what we'll do is adjust this radar so we have some purchase on that. So I'm going to raise the tilt until I can be sure that I've got ground on the outer quadrant. And now I'm going to switch to the vertical mode. Since we're flying pretty much straight ahead, we'll put that bearing pointer on 0 degrees left or right. Let's see what we got. So we do have some rain showers out there, but not much on this heading. So let's see what he does for us. He might be wanting to put us in this opening here, but we know better than to trust that opening with NEXRAD, because the composite NEXRAD color weather data link weather is at this point 1 minute old. Be reminded that that's transmission time, does not include processing time or delivery time from the cell site or from the radar site to the processor. So it's older than 1 minute, probably twice that or more. Looking out the window with some tall clouds.
24 Romeo, fly, turn 10 degrees left.
10 left, 24 Romeo.
So now we got 10 left. That's going to favor going behind that weather. As far as I'm concerned, that's the preference here. And while there's an obvious gap between the leftmost cell and the next one over to the right, there's even more space to the left of the leftmost cell. That's looking out the window, which is not very reliable. It's more reliable than looking at NEXRAD, but the most reliable thing we can do, as I'm sure you know, is look at the radar. So that's what we got. We could go probably almost straight ahead, maybe 10, 15 to the right, put us between these two. They're still too far away. But after we pass this cell here, we'll be able to know whether we want to make the left turn and go around the leftmost cell, or make a smaller right turn and go between the two. Neither are producing lightning, so we really have a choice there. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I requested 20 left for weather, and control gave us direct Westminster, which is in fact about 25 left, and that satisfies my curiosity about whether or not we're going to get in a rain shower. The answer is no. And XRAD is corroborating, although we don't care. We're going to use color weather radar for this close-in tactical turn. After Westminster, we're going to Harrisburg. So Harrisburg has to go after.
Contact Potomac 125.52.
So if we range in on this, we can get more resolution.
Number 2 Victor X-ray, contact Philadelphia approach.
Although that's plenty of resolution.
And just let them know the heading you're on.
Doesn't look like much out the window, but some major weather over there. Radar is the only thing to use to avoid this. So if you don't have color weather radar, don't fly this close to weather. It's that simple.
Number 2 Victor X-ray, contact Philadelphia
Good rule of thumb.
124.35. Let them know the heading you're on.
We had a little rain shower here in front of us at 15 miles. And again, I
2524, contact Potomac.
I hate to be that guy on a weather day. I don't see any reason why we can't go straight ahead. What we do know is that we'll be straight on this heading, which is about 5 left and about 2 left of the lubber line for another 23 miles. So whatever that is, you can see we're flying over it because it's leaving the paint. In other words, it's going underneath the airplane. Since we're at 8,000 feet, we know that that is maybe 10,000 tall at most. And whether that's 10,000 tall can't produce lightning or hail either, for that matter, and can produce light to moderate rain, but it clearly doesn't have the energy it would need to make us uncomfortable. So I'm not feeling a need to deviate around that. It'll be bumpy. This is an interesting situation. Not dangerous, interesting. NexRad shows that we're going to maybe kiss that cell that we just talked about that we don't like. Radar, however, contradicts that. And so I imagine you viewers know what we're going to do. We're going to follow the information, the data provided on the radar, which delivers us information at the rate of 186,000 miles per second. Not just a good idea, it's the law. Dick Rochfort, fly safely, train off.